Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 15 beta 6 update not showing on iPhone. If you are also facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, go to settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. After that, we have to launch Safari browser and search for beta profiles. Tap on first link, scroll, tap install profile, tap install anyways, tap on allow, close, go back to settings, general, profile and device management, iOS 15 beta software profile, tap install, put iPhone passcode, tap install, install, not now, done. Go back to settings and general, tap software update. Here we go, iOS 15 developer beta 6 is ready to download. Now we have to tap download and install to get iOS 15 developer beta 6. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.